Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix the CarPlay issues on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. To do that, first of all, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. In the control center, just open the connection section. Then tap on the airplane mode and enable it. Now just wait for a few seconds, then tap on airplane mode and disable it. Now, after you have done that, then open settings and go to General. Now at the bottom of the page, you will find the option of VPN and device management. Just tap on it, and from here, if you have connected any VPN to your iPhone, just disable it from here. Also, if you have downloaded any VPN app on your iPhone, just delete it from your iPhone. Just like that. Now after you have done that, then go back to settings. In settings, just go to General. Now at the bottom of the page, you will find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Just tap on it, then tap on reset. And from here, just reset the network settings on your iPhone. Now just enter your lock screen PIN, then tap on reset network settings. Now this option will not delete any data on your iPhone. It will only reset all the network settings of your iPhone. Now if you have done that and if this did not fix your issue, then open settings and go to General. Tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then go to reset. Now this time just select reset all settings, and by doing that you will reset all the settings on your iPhone. After that, just go to your home screen and force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. For that, just open Settings, then tap on General, then tap on Software Update. And from here, just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. Now, if CarPlay is not working only when you want to use CarPlay wirelessly, then open the control center and in the connection section, just make sure you enable Bluetooth on your iPhone. And this is how you can fix CarPlay issues on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.